Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to make a solid line in world horizontal or vertical. So how to make this line, this solo line vertical and horizontal line. So firstly you need to, in home tab you see this borders option. So click on here this small drop down and here you see this last option, borders and settings. So just click on it and first select area you need to draw this line, and then you can click on borders and settings, and here you need to click this custom. You see last option, so just select, and now you can customize this style and color, and think will be like 3pt, and you can change the color also, like auto you can select automatically this color, and you can select also color, you can select which you like, and you can also select this automatic color, and all customize will be done. So you need to click on OK, and your line will be not see. So you need to click on here. You see this borders. You see here this board window type icon. So just click on it. So you see this will be showing. This line will be showing, and need to draw this. This is horizontal. You need to draw this vertical. So very easily you can draw. Click on insert shapes, and here you see this lines. Select this first line, and press shift and draw it. Just right click on it, and you see this last option, format shapes. So just click on it, and now you see this, you can very easily customize this by here. You can very easily customize. You can change here think, and you can transparent also. So customize it. So this way you can very easily make a solo line in world horizontal and vertical both line. You can very easily make. So thanks for watching this video.